Octopus. Nah, not this octopus. This octopus. Well, hello fellow yacht fans. Today we're setting sail on an awe-inspiring journey as we explore the epitome of maritime opulence, Octopus. This 414 feet explorer yacht is not just a vessel, it's a floating paradise, and it's time to uncover her assets. Octopus, built in 2003 and a recently refitted in 2021, is the largest explorer yacht in the world. Of course, there are myths about this vessel. Some claim Octopus was the largest yacht in the world, which is not quite true. She is among one of the largest explorer yachts in her class. Others claim she was purely a pleasure yacht, yet she spent years in active exploration service. Paul Allen's legacy wasn't about excess, it was more about curiosity. He used his fortunes to explore, to learn, to inspire others to look deeper, both above and below the waterline. Paul Allen used Octopus for some incredible missions, and I've listed a few here. Helping locate the wreck of the Japanese battleship Musashi in the Philippines in 2015, supporting scientific dives, oceanographic research, humanitarian operations such as search and rescue and disaster aid. After Allen's passing in 2018, these missions continued under new ownership, maintaining the yacht's legacy for exploration. The Maritime Marvel, a creation of the renowned German shipyard Lürssen, is a true masterpiece. She is available for charter, and this video offers a glimpse of her remarkable features. First, let's talk about numbers. Octopus stretches an astonishing 414 feet and 1 inch. Let's not forget that, 1 inch. With a draft of 18 feet and 11 inches and a gross tonnage of 9,932 gross tons. She's not just big, she's massive. Operating a vessel like Octopus requires a small army. Her 63-person crew includes navigators, engineers, scientists, helicopter pilots and submersible operators. Daily operations are complex, from coordinating twin helicopter logistics to maintaining deep-sea equipment. But what truly sets Octopus apart is her luxurious interior, styled by Jonathan Quinn Barnett. Designed for the ultimate luxury experience, this yacht can host up to 12 guests in 13 exquisite cabins. The master suite is a true gem. It's a spacious full beam retreat with his and hers bathrooms. You'll feel like royalty while you're on board, if you can afford to charter, that is. Octopus isn't just about luxury, she's about adventure too. With a helipad, movie theatre, spa, elevator, underwater lights, beach club, gym, there's something for everyone, for every type of traveller. Whether you're in the mood for a dance on the dance floor or a tranquil movie night in the dedicated theatre, Octopus has you covered. The sauna and spa offer the perfect places to unwind, and the pool under the sun, that's simply divine. Look at it. You can maintain your fitness routine in a well-equipped gym, or relax on a deck hot tub and enjoy stunning scenery as the world passes by. Now let's dive into the incredible heart of Octopus, the engineering marvel that powers this colossal explorer yacht on its epic voyages. Brace yourselves, because when it comes to Octopus, the power behind the luxury is simply mind-blowing. Twin ABB Industry AGE electric motors in conjunction with 8 MTU 16V 4000 M50 diesel engines. The result is a yacht that can traverse the open seas for months on end, a staggering range of 12,500 nautical miles at a speed of 12 knots. Octopus can smoothly cruise a maximum speed of 19 knots thanks to these remarkable engines. But what makes these even more intriguing is the fact that MTU engines are a product of Rolls-Royce, and we know the quality that goes into a Rolls-Royce. To put this into perspective, Octopus relies on the MTU 16 valve 4000 DS 2050 diesel generator set. This beast offers a standby power capacity of a whopping 2070 kilowatts. These engines run at 380 volts, that's 60 hertz, and feature a water charged air cooling system for optimized fuel consumption. There you go. But that's not all. The benefits of this remarkable power plant go beyond sheer horsepower. You're looking at a system designed for low fuel consumption, high reliability, and prolonged maintenance intervals. It's engineered to ensure power availability even in the most demanding conditions. Octopus also incorporates a sophisticated control panel. This allows for ease of application of a customized controller, island operation, automatic mains failure operation, and island parallel operation of multiple gensets, ensuring seamless power management during your voyage. The engine parameters are monitored rigorously, and the generator protection functions guarantee that everything runs smoothly. Octopus features a flexible fuel system with options like switchable fuel filters, fuel coolers, and we haven't even touched the exhaust system, which is engineered for peak performance. Octopus's propulsion system is more than just machinery. It is a life force that enables this explorer yacht to conquer the world's oceans. It is a testament to the cutting-edge engineering and key ingredient in the recipe for unforgettable maritime adventures. We hope you enjoyed the deep dive into the powerhouse of Octopus. If you found this segment intriguing, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more maritime marvels. Well, the luxuries just keep on coming. Let's have a look at the toys. Octopus has an incredible selection of water toys, from jet skis to wave runners to towable toys to water skis to kite surfers to kayaks to windsurfers to fishing equipment to diving equipment and much more. She's got the lot. In addition, Octopus features 5 tenders, but the star is an 18.1 metre Delta powerboat tender, a stylish, comfortable transportation vessel. Yeah, sounds good. The vessel even has an internal dock for a 20-metre submarine and tender. That's proper James Bond villain stuff, that, adding the whole new dimension to the ocean adventure. Octopus and her dedicated crew are available for charter, making this dream yacht a reality for those who seek ultimate maritime experience and has a big bank account. You can explore the Mediterranean this summer and even book the winter adventures upon request, apparently. Don't know how much that costs. As we conclude our journey through the luxurious Octopus, remember, this yacht isn't just a vessel, it's an unforgettable experience. Octopus really did set the benchmark for what an explorer yacht could be. Before her, most yachts were just floating palaces. After Octopus, naval architects started to design expedition platforms capable of genuine autonomy and adventure. You can see her DNA in yachts like the Rev Ocean, Ulysses, Ladacia and Legend, all owe a nod to Allen's vision. Even 2 decades later, few yachts match Octopus's blend of luxury, endurance and scientific ability. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, please comment, because I read all the comments and I do reply, and please subscribe because we're only a small channel and we need to get it bigger. So I'll keep making the content if you keep watching. Thanks for watching. Bye now.